guys, what's up? It's me, Heartland. So today, I'm just going to show you slime that I made. Alright, so today, it is a piece. Combination of butter foam kind of past the roof and it gets brighter. This is not the end of the video. I'm just gonna talk to you guys because I don't know. There's nothing else to really talk about. Okay guys, so here's my first question for you guys. So, what is your favorite type of slime? Comment down below. And I will be putting these questions in the description, so you guys can like ask. So you guys can read them. And so next question is, what's your favorite mythical animal? A unicorn. I have a little unicorn piggy bank over here, so over there. Take right over there. Unicorn, mermaid, or Pegasus. Pegasus. So those are the three mythical animals that I'm going to think of, that I can think of. And next one is, what is my favorite holiday? And mine's probably Christmas and my birthday. So, yeah. That's super good. And I don't know if you guys can see on camera that it's green, and on the camera it kind of looks blue. So here it is. Super spreadable. Isn't it popular now? So guys, I think this is going to be the end of the video, and it actually moisturizes your hands, and it smells good to me. It smells like. So guys, this is the end of the video, and comment down below if you want. So this is actually going to be a giveaway video. I'm going to be giving away anything. I'm going to so I'm going to continue. I'm going to pick them. I'm going to be giving a name. Something. I don't know what I'm going to be giving away yet. Yeah. Once I find something, I will that I want to give away. I will give away some. Ooh, I will give away. If you guys, so comment down below if you guys like this sign, and if you do, then I will do a giveaway on this. So I'll do a giveaway on this, a little bit of it. This is like the best awesomeness sign I've seen. So I'm going to show you what container I'm putting in. I will be putting it in this container. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is go down there and go down to the comments and say giveaway, and yeah. So comment. So whoever I see first comments saying giveaway, I will do a giveaway. And yeah, I'll give them this slime, this little piece of slime right here. So yeah, super good. I'm going to show you how good this slime is with a little bit. So yes, I just made the slime today, so I'll make this called Instant Snow Slime. And I really do a recipe because it's super good, but I will for you. So what you need to do if you want to get instant snow, you can either use a diaper, but I didn't use a diaper. I used some baking soda, water, and salt, and then it turned into these things on my hands. I don't know if you can see them or not. But see all those things on the inside? Those little dots? That's what it is. So yeah, I will be giving away a little bit of this in a container. And here it is. Like, really good slime. So again, how you are going to enter this giveaway is you are going to go down in the comments and you are going to say, if you want to, you can say giveaway, and whoever I see that says giveaway first, that's the sign. So yeah. So I will be doing this video as like, I'm gonna say for like the name of the video, I'm gonna say more slime, and I'm going to say at the end, watch till the end to see the giveaway. So yeah, and I have a little hole in my pants. So yeah, so outfit for the day is this shirt, and it has these lines on it, and I have the shirt that says move to your own beat, and it has a heart, it's a big heart. And it has these things. So these things are part of the shirt. So yeah, and then it has some leggings, gray leggings. It has a hole in it. And then I have these socks. So yeah. And then I actually, I have this hairband. So I'm gonna play a little game with you guys. So I'm gonna put this into the sign. And not this sign. And then I have to turn it on. Okay. Oh, here. Oh, there it is. See it? Do you see it, guys? I don't know if you guys can see this or not. I found it. Let's play another round. Oops. One on the table. even found it. Okay. So yeah, that is it for this video, and yep, so I just played the game again. See, the sign gets pretty thick after playing with it. So yeah, that is again how to enter the giveaway to get this sign right here, which is this sign. All you have to do is click the like button, the subscribe button,